And clearly the weather here has taken a dramatic turn. It was not the same as it was half an hour ago, and now it's heavy rain here and heavy winds. One can witness here at Kovalam in near ECR. So this is the closest where we can reach to the sea, and we can see things are completely different at the moment. And as we understand that the cyclone is expected to make a landfall anytime soon, the wind speed as well as the rains will get intensified. This is what the Met Department had predicted, and in some areas we are still getting information that in most of the areas huge trees have been uprooted, and the first the first responders team has reached there. The fire and rescue service officials, the state disaster management officials, they are carrying out measures to ensure that the traffic is cleared, the roads are cleared, because and on the other hand, we are also getting information that in some areas the electricity lines have been disconnected, and the authorities are working on it, and most of the areas power has been switched off as part of precautionary measures, and in some areas people have been evacuated. Still, we could see people are out in the open. There are some people who definitely want to do some kind of adventurism at this point in time. Despite clear warnings, they are out here trying to catch a glimpse of what is happening near the sea. So there are some people who are excited, but by and large people are staying indoors because most of the roads are completely deserted. In some areas, in residential areas, the reports that we are getting is that in many places trees have been uprooted, and officials have been making announcements in certain areas asking people not to venture in, not to move out and to stay indoors as part of precautionary measures, because the next 2 to 3 hours are going to be extremely crucial, because it's going to be heavy winds out here and heavy rains, and that is something which is a cause of concern for the officials to worry. People have been asked to seek shelter under some concrete roofs. People have been telling the officials have been telling people who are living in low-lying areas to evacuate, because the officials feel that due to heavy rains, the low-lying areas may get inundated, and in some places the local fishermen have been asked to bring their boats in case if there needs to be some kind of evacuation that needs to be done. And in multiple locations the NDRF teams have been deputed and have been deployed and have been kept on standby. The state disaster management teams are also on standby at multiple locations in and around Chennai to try and reach out to the people in case if there is any kind of help that is required. And now you can see